To maintain your mane, know your hair type and then choose products. Today's video will discuss the good hair guide. Step 1. Know your hair type. There are 3 types of hair: thick, medium and fine. To know your hair type, simply wrap your hair in a ponytail. If you have to wrap the elastic around it once, you have thick hair. If you need to wrap the band 2 or 3 times, you have medium hair, and if it is more than that, then your hair type is thin. In addition, there's the texture: curvy, curly, and straight. All you need is to observe your hair in its natural state. Still in doubt? Then talk to your hairstylist. After knowing your type, then choose a product based on it. Step 2. Cut and style. The haircut and style depend on your hair type and face cut. The correct cut and style can make your face look thinner, angular or plumper. Once you have fixed a certain style, schedule regular trims. Step 3. The right product. Read the label. Tip: more expensive doesn't translate to most effective. Try and test brands. Some rules still work. For instance, for dry and thick hair, use a moisturizing shampoo and a hydrating conditioner. For fine hair, use anything that adds volume. For regular and thick hair, use a spray, and for thin hair, use mousse. It's better to pick styling creams over hair gels, as they are better at styling your hair naturally. Hair styling products give the best results when you use them with the correct tools like hair dryer, curling iron or hair roller, etc. Style your hair. When using a product, use the correct amount. Rule: short hair requires a penny size of the product, and medium length uses nickel, and so on. If you are using a curling iron, spritz water in sectioned hair. Before blow drying, towel dry your hair, apply the product and then blow dry. To distribute the spray evenly, first, spray and then comb. Spray at crown and roots and not on the top of the hair. When using a mousse or cream, start at the back of the head and not the front. Take the product, warm it in your hands and then apply. What do you think of this important information? Let me know in our comment section below.